how to find language settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find language settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then just click these three lines in the top corner, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then here you will find it, language. And as you see here, you can change your language on Likee app. All you need to do is just select any language you want here and then click confirm, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.